Oh, she's smelling Pikachu. Hello everyone, we're gonna finally unbox what, according to Papa, is the biggest pop of Pikachu, the Pokemon.
Then you can see the same thing with Harry Potter.
I know.
Huh?
Oh, maybe for Pikachu, biggest Pikachu.
Oh yeah.
But I think the ears, we could compare later on.
With what?
Which is bigger, the Harry Potter?
What about Groot?
Oh, the Groot has, oh, we could compare. Okay.
You saying it's the biggest, what do you call it, 18-inch? Or just Pikachu? If it's just Pikachu, then yeah, for sure. There's only one of these of Pikachu.
I think this one I got from, and I know so far only Top Pop is the one that I watched that opened it. But I got it almost same time when he got it, but it took us a while to. You keep, you know, when you're planning to do a video, it's you change. Yeah, something happened, then you change. Okay. It's tricky, you know. And
Okay, should we pause and put it down?
yeah.
Oh, wait.
I think only this side now. All this I got. Okay, let's see. It's still tricky. We're gonna try. See. Since I cannot lift, it looks like heavy. Okay.
Okay, let me pause it.
Pause it.
Okay.
Okay, finally, it took a lot of struggling.
It didn't slide.
It didn't slide. Ooh, it looks cool, like a baby.
A baby. Huge head. Look at this.
Yeah, the head is big. Okay.
Oh, wait. Is it balanced? It's not gonna fall
The thing
over?
is the ears is make it big.
What do you think?
Hi, you like the go? I love the go. Oh, you kissed Pikachu. Did you kiss Pikachu? Hey, hi Pikachu. She's looking cute. The ear. Oh, she's smelling Pikachu. Yeah. Look at that Pikachu.
Okay.
I think it's the 18, right?
I think 18
Version of the first Pikachu that it took a year just to get one. Me to get one. The Target exclusive.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll compare with the 10-inch.
I think this is 10-inch from them.
Okay.
I think this one.
He's gonna fall. Okay.
I think this one because it's been out. I still have one on the box. That's why, but I like this one because it's clean. This one has been on my. I have a cubicle or shelf that I display all my yellow pops, my favorite yellow pops. So yeah, so that's it. Yeah,
Okay.
there we go.
And then you want to take this one out?
Yeah.
Compare the size of all three.
Oh yeah, this is okay. Okay. So now we're gonna unbox the first Target exclusive that it took us. Oh my god.
We never saw it in store. Right?
No, never.
You can only get it online. I think we saw it at a con first.
Yeah, I think we got this on. I think.
The Corpus Christi?
Yeah, it's
Comic
not.
Con or
I think one of the Comic Con.
Browns Con?
See that because it's.
We never found it.
We never found it. It's
We saw
hard.
the common. This one. It's common in Target, but we never saw the first one.
Yeah, now you could see the second.
Well, the comic can be anywhere. Not this Target.
But this one, the first one that came, so oh my god!
He's so tiny.
He's so tiny. You need the
What?
Do you need the
I don't know, do we?
Yeah, just showing.
It's basically the same. He's so small. Because it's 4 inches maybe.
But from the
4
ear
inches,
to
and
the
then
foot.
10 inches, and then 18 inches.
This is a cool. If you take a picture, Eddie,
Ah.
the cutest. This is a good town.
Yeah. There we go.
Unboxing.
That's it.
And then we'll do.
Oh, we do another one. Okay,
we're
so
gonna
pause.
We're
Okay.
gonna show it. We put them in the background.
Okay, we'll pause. We're gonna
I think.
look at the other Pikachus we got.
This one is the black version of this. It's a GameStop. I think we got it from a box. I think is it Bulbasaur?
Maybe a Pokemon box.
The Pokemon box.
Maybe.
Forgot the other one. That both of them were flock. I think we did unboxing on that. It's a Pokemon box from GameStop. Yeah.
No?
We got caught up in the. There we go. The corner. Okay. Yeah, this is a GameStop exclusive flock Pikachu. Okay. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Cool.
Whoops. Let me come here. So he's flock. Let's see. Oh wait, we can compare both of them. Oh, they're the same size. It's so cute. Because I saw the big ones, like they're so tiny. Okay, and then he has a lot of variants. Oops.
Yeah. This one
He has
is
two
a
commons.
yeah, it's a common,
He's
but
an
this
angry
one I
Pikachu.
think either I got it from Amazon. No.
Oh yeah, how can it be Target?
Yeah, you could see
It
because
could be Amazon. Yeah, no bubble wrap.
no
whatsoever.
bubble wrap or anything, but I just just got them. Push. Yeah, it's hard to open. Okay, there we go. So this is a different mold,
It's a variant.
variant of Pikachu. He's mad.
Oh, he's $5.98. They're different numbers. The
And
other
it's
ones were the same number.
$5.98. The other one is all what?
It's $3.53. All the
So he's mad at Ash.
or he's doing his what's it?
Is it a bottle face? or what?
Thunderbolt or something. No, Thunderbolt. Yeah, maybe Thunderbolt. He's doing something. Hi, baby girl. Okay. Look at the face. And then the other one.
And this one, I think it's a common but different variant. But this one, finally, I think
We've seen this in Target.
yeah, you could see it in other
This
corner. Yeah. Whoosh. It doesn't want to come up. I think the corner there. They really tuck it in. Ooh.
Should we pause? Again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I normally put it. No.
Okay, pause.
Corner stuck. So this one is cute. It's a common. And I think now you could see. I think we've seen it in Target, but this
Oh, he has a
one's cute.
stand.
Oh, because it's on a. Oh.
Oh, well, he can stand now.
This one is with standard, but he could stand. I don't know why.
He could totally stand. There are some that don't have.
With a head, big head.
Yeah. I don't think we turn. It's more of the face and the.
What the?
You don't really turn it on. I mean, it's the same coloring. You know?
Oh, yeah.
It's just a different position.
Yeah, it's like waving, right?
Happy.
Happy.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we unbox these?
Yeah.
Do you have all of them?
No, I'm not sure.
How many do you have? We only have 7.
It's 7
Is there 12?
because I'm not even sure. I know which one. I thought this is the first one I got. One lucky day, then the summer. Oh no, maybe one lucky day spring, then summer, right? Then game.
What's spring?
Then fall, then thankful, and then
No, you think this is spring?
no, one lucky day. There's a spring here.
That's not spring.
Oh, that's spring. No, sparking. No. Oh
There's
yeah,
no
maybe
spring.
that's the one. But I think I missed something because it's hard to get them. Either
It's once a month, right?
Yeah,
So there's supposed to be 12.
Pokemon Center or GameStar. I think this last year on 2020. This is 20. No, it's not even 2019. It's 2018.
You could check.
I think it's 2018
Let's see.
because I didn't. I know.
No, it says 2019.
Oh, 2019. Because 2020 is Eevee, and I didn't get her. Yeah.
It says
I didn't
2019.
get- Okay, which one do you want to start?
Oh, this one.
Okay.
Okay, we're already here.
Okay.
I wonder if it would be seasoned. I don't know.
Yeah. I think that's what it says. But I thought my first one is this one. The one lucky day.
Wait, this is called A Day with Pikachu.
A
Is
day.
the other one A Day with Eevee?
Yeah, something like that. Or Eevee and Friends or something like that. Okay, so this is A Day with Pikachu.
A cool new friend.
Oh.
Pikachu. Okay. Which one?
Okay, which one?
Just the top. We'll just go from the top. It's already easier from the top.
You know we'll do. Okay, this one. Because next is your birthday, right?
Oh, yeah.
One lucky day. Okay. Yeah, that's why I knew because this is the one that. Because I will like the leprechaun and the lucky, so it's cute. So that's one lucky day. So we're really unboxing tons of Pikachu.
Okay. Oh, I do. And pause. Okay, we unboxed the others. So this is the charged up for game day Pikachu. Okay. Oh wait, and pause. Okay, so this is the charged up for game day 25.
So do you put this?
Yeah. Oh yeah, the charger later. We have the pause because of the battery.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check if I didn't get
Is there a
Christmas. If
Well, there's
it's a
7.
Christmas.
You need 5 more. If there was.
No, I don't think because they didn't really do like like Disney.
This is
mini-
sparking up a celebration. He has a snow cone. Sparklers. Soda can.
So that's what sparking.
Sparking up a celebration.
It's not. It looks like a kind of like a New Year. I don't know why.
Well, it's summer, I think.
Because sparking celebration.
I think.
But then they had the snow cone.
Yeah. And then this is a splashing
away
away. This one's really
summer.
cute. Look at the side ducks. He's on a side duck floaty.
Yeah.
On a rock. Look, cup holder. Really cute.
Pikachu's cute.
Okay, look at his face. And then, what's this one? Oh, surprises to fall for.
Surprises to fall. He's really cute. Pika Pika. Andy, Pika Pikachu. Pikachu. Yeah.
Okay, and the last one, what is he called? Oh, completely thankful. So he's really full. Look at his face.
For
All the
Thanksgiving.
cookies and pies. This one's really cute too.
So which is your favorite?
It could be the splash. Splashing away summer. That's really cute.
It is cute. I like it. I like the.
I like the flaps. And the
lucky.
pops, I like the
Well,
flaps.
my love is that one, the big one. See, because you could see the collar. It's big.
But these are so tiny now. Look at it. It's so
Uh-huh.
cute.
Right, look at Andy. It's so cute, Andy.
Okay.